accent that in my mind for when I'm clear and able to be out, on my own, or when I'm going to be on my own sooner or later, I'm gonna have to man up, as they say nowadays, and just take care of my business.
Yeah. Subject to the same kind of scenario that we're in, the definition of insanity sort of a thing, definition of insanity, doing the same thing, expecting different results. So I talk with my clients about future scenarios and situations that he incurs to either walk away, found different avenues for his stressors so he doesn't remain in this kind of cycle of institutionalization. So I know he's had a lot of time to think about it. He's been in custody, hasn't had the opportunity, ability to bond out. But I know that he knows now that if he ever raises his hand in anger against anybody in a violent way, that he's going to be seeing a lot more of the inside of a jail cell and a prison cell, which he definitely wants to avoid. So we did definitely have that conversation, Your Honor.
All right. So here's the thing. At some point, you're an adult and your mother doesn't have to give you any money. Nobody has to give you any money if they don't want to. You are not someone's dependent for the rest of your life, at least not in this situation. I know there are other cases where people may be someone's dependent, but is your mom able to claim you on her taxes? So yeah, so there's no need for her to constantly give money to a person of your age. You've got to figure it out. You understand?
Yeah.
All right.
I realize that I'm trying to.
You are. And I'm telling you, if there's a drug issue, you need to take care of that as well, because that's what your mom is saying, that you wanted $5 for drugs. All right. The court is finding you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to 3 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, a $1,500 fine, time and money to run concurrent. This will run concurrent with 2025 PF 02719. No contact with Cheryl Ann Hernandez or Mary Jean Bazzadoni. And there is to be no and the court will recommend the therapeutic community.
Yes.
Right, because this is a felony conviction, because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, and also because you waived your right to appeal. You do not have the court's permission to appeal, and you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.